Okay, so here's today's task. This has been working out very nicely. I'm going to take this frame all off. I'm going to take this frame all off, cut a new piece of wood to fix that sill. Gee, circular saw, buddy, with a powerful battery. Probably this too. Sawzall. We're going to do the same thing. Multi-master. I'm just helping you out so you know all the things we need. Should be saying thank you, not yeah. Loving my battery power stuff. And this cheap Ryobi stuff, it's enough to get these things done. I have all the good power tools with a cord on them, but shoot, if I could get it done with a battery and it doesn't break the bank. All cordless, yes. Sawzall, jigsaw, and not jigsaw, Sawzall, circular saw, and multi-master. So here's one that I did yesterday. This is what I did yesterday. Put some primer on this wood. I scraped it down to bare wood, cleaned this up a little bit, and then I fabricated a new screen frame. Ta-da! New screen frame. Tabs. Boom. Stainless steel screws right there. I like the stainless steel screws better than the plungers, because those plungers break, and these screws, once you unscrew it, they stick out like 1/2 or 3/4 of an inch here, and that's enough of a finger hold for you to grab from different places. All right, so these windows all need to be done. How many windows do we have? Not many. Let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, and 4, and those ones need carpentry and caulking and repairs. All right, doing a great job, G. Thank you. I'll start grabbing some stuff too. All right, we need the 2x4 straight edge. All right, here we go with the rotted sill. Come on, I hope I have some decent wood. I want to marry on at that point right there. Yeah, that feels, I can make that work hopefully. All right, let's see. All right, so we dug out all the rot on this. Change this out, one whole piece. Change this piece of brick mold out. Put a 6-inch chunker in there. That's going to need some Bondo. That's going to need some Bondo to fix the profile, but anyways, this is just a primered project so that it's ready for winter. Sanding and proper painting, and this is ready to go.